Hi, my name's Neil Hodgson. I used to get paid as a professional motorcycle racer to ride round in circles. Now I get paid to talk about people riding round in circles. How good's that? My relationship with RST has grown a lot over the years. I've been with them for 10 years now, and it's been a really interesting journey. I feel a part of the family, I genuinely do. Do you know what I love about the RST brand the most is the fact that they make top quality gear at an affordable price. Not everybody's loaded and can afford the really expensive products that are out there at the moment, but you can still buy quality, safe gear at an affordable price. And I love that. Looking back at my career, my proudest achievement would be the fact that I was able to be a professional rider for a long period of time. It's a tough sport, as I'm sure you're all aware, and it's easy to fail at it. So I turned professional when I was 19 and I stayed as a pro racer all the way till retirement at 36. So that's what I'm the most proud about. Not the fact that I won a world title or BSB title, it's the fact that I stayed at it. It's not easy. I think for me personally, the lowest moment of my career was in the late 90s. I'd been doing World Superbikes for 3 seasons. I wasn't quite cutting it. I was in my early 20s, I stopped enjoying my racing, I started to really doubt myself. I came back to BSB and regrouped and refound the love for riding. So I refound my love and passion for the sport. The results then started to improve and the snowball effect sort of pushed me forward, and then I ended up back in World Superbikes, and the rest is history really. I think motorcycle riding in general is really good for mental health. Thankfully now we can talk about it. It's a subject that you're not embarrassed to say that you've got some issues, but most of my friends who've raced bikes will all admit that there's been a lot of dark times. That's the way the sport is. There's a lot of pressure, but just in general, there's not a better feeling than throwing leg over a bike, going out and riding around a track or on an open road and going to visit somewhere. The thrill, the adrenaline rush you get from riding motorcycles, massive, and I genuinely believe if you've got any issues with mental health, it's a really positive thing you can do.